This is Jake with the support team here at Van Dyke Software. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule recurring file transfer operations with our SecureFX file transfer client. In this video, I'm using SecureFX version 8.5 and I'm connected to a remote host using the SFTP protocol. First, I'm going to create a scheduled task to upload all .txt files from this outgoing folder on my local machine to an incoming folder on the remote machine. Before jumping into this, I want to mention that if you are able to authenticate to a remote host using public key authentication, that would be wise. It's not a security best practice to save passwords, so this saved session is configured with public key authentication using a key file that has been secured on the file system so that only my account has access. This way, the scheduled task can operate unattended. Step 1. Open SecureFX and connect using the saved session you have for the desired remote host. I've already done this, as you can see my local file system and the remote file system in SecureFX here. Browse in the Local tab to the outgoing folder. This has the .txt files I wish to upload. Browse in the Remote tab to the incoming folder to which the local .txt files will be copied. Open the Tools menu and choose Schedule Task. The Task Scheduler window will appear. Press the Add button and this Task Properties window will appear. Notice how the local path and the remote session and path are already filled in for me using the local and remote paths to which I had browsed earlier. I'll name the task something unique, and then in the Files section here, I'm leaving the direction set to Upload. If instead of uploading files, I wanted to download files from the remote, I would simply choose Download here. In the Files entry box here, I'll change this from star.star to star.txt, since I only want to upload .txt files. For the frequency, I'll start out by going as often as allowed by this interface, daily. Later on, I'll show you how to edit this task in the Windows Task Scheduler to run it more frequently. Because I'm interested in being able to troubleshoot any failures should they occur, I'll put in a log file path and name here. Should the transfer operation fail, this is where I'll look for clues as I investigate why. Press the OK button. I now see the task here in the Task Scheduler window. Behind the scenes, SecureFX has created a scheduled task that launches SecureFX's command line utility, SFXCL, to accomplish the file transfer operation we've defined here. Let's open the Windows Task Scheduler and see what SecureFX has done for us. Expand the Task Scheduler library and you'll see a folder named Van Dyke and a subfolder where SecureFX saves scheduled tasks. This entry is the one that we created to upload all .txt files. You can change how often this scheduled task will get launched. In the SecureFX interface, we were able to say daily, but nothing more often than that. To set up this upload task to run every 15 minutes, for example, right-click the task and choose Properties. Select the Triggers tab, select the daily trigger that's listed here, and press the Edit button. In the Advanced Settings area below, enable the Repeat Task option and set it to every 15 minutes. Then press the OK button. Now this task is set to run every 15 minutes instead of just daily. As another example of customizing the SFXCL command line, if you want SecureFX to delete source files after they have been successfully transferred, otherwise known as move, you would add the /move parameter to the SFXCL command line. To edit the SFXCL command line for this scheduled task, click on the Actions tab, select the Start a Program entry that's already there, and press the Edit button. In this teeny tiny arguments box, find the space between sfxcl.exe and its first command line option. In this case, it's this /noprompt option. Place the cursor right after the trailing E in .exe, then type a space, followed by the /move command line argument. Verify that there's a space following the /move that was just inserted, and there we have it. SFXCL will now perform a delete operation on every source folder and file after it has been successfully transferred. That's all the time we have for this video. Until next time, stay secure, my friends.